poppin', Rolly Gang family? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Right now it's 4. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's 4:18 in the morning. 4:18 in the morning. We got a 9 o'clock delivery about 4 hours away in Edwardsville, Illinois. So that's where we about to head. I'm just getting up, getting out the bed. I need to go use the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face because I'm trying to be there like an hour before because I got to kind of think about the early morning rush hour traffic. About 3 hours and 45 minutes before we get there. I'm a little tired, man, but we about to get up, get the rolling, and get to the crib, get this load up off us, and head to what? Miami, baby! Miami! So I'm gonna see y'all once we start rolling. Rolly.
What's up, Rolly Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, y'all, so we may or may not have an issue. We here at our delivery though, so, but the thing is, right? According to the bills say I'm supposed to go to, where is it? 1 Gateway Center Drive, Hinkle, USA, Edwardsville, Illinois, which isn't here, right? But in the delivery number, the pickup number that I got is correct. But if you look at the rate kind and stuff they gave me, they told me to come to 349 Gateway Commerce Center Drive. That's where we at. Pickup number that I picked up is the same as on my bills. So, yeah, I don't know. But it's 8:28. My appointment is at 9 o'clock. Thank God I'm here 30 minutes in advance. I'm about to go check in and see if this is the right place or do I gotta go wherever 1 Gateway City Commerce Drive, so it shouldn't be that far. So we about to see Rolly. Alright, so scratch what I said in the last clip. We definitely at the right place. So I'm about to go back in the door 72, get unloaded, and then come back here. Ooh, when I get a green light, it's time to get my paperwork. So shout out to them. Hopefully they don't take that load to unload me because I got a busy day. I still got to get home, pack, get a haircut, and head to the airport. So all of this in one day, but we gonna make it work. Taking the chances, truck. If you wanna make that money, come get it at Landstar. Rolly. What? Yes, sir. I just heard him unloading the gate. Oh, he just knocked on the door. It's time to go. About to head over here, get our paperwork, get our roll on. Got to get to the crib, got to park my truck, hop in an Uber, and keep it moving, baby. Bro, I ain't gonna sit there. End of this day, man, I'm gonna be a different dude. All this nappy hair and all this, we ain't gonna have no more of this, baby. It's gonna be Big Dog TV status after that, you heard me? Rolly. Trucking, man. Trucking. We done, baby. We done for the week. It's Wednesday. We off for the next 5 days. We about to be in Miami for the next 4 days. Chilling. Hopefully Miami vlogs is turned up. But I'm about to hop in the Uber, head to the crib, go home and pack right quick. It's no more trucking for 5 days, baby. You heard me. You know what that means. Alright, y'all. So right now, we downtown St. Louis. The STL as we like to call it. Downtown St. Louis. So this is my first stop. Y'all just see I hopped out my truck, hopped in an Uber, came down here. First stop, my dog Drizzy. Drizzy about to change my whole entire life and get me right. Y'all see this? God damn! Y'all see this? I'm not looking like no more homeless trucker and none of that. Drizzy about to change the whole game for me. Shout out to my dog Drizzy. So once I get up in his place, get my haircut, ain't no more trucker. I ain't no trucker after that. I don't own no truck. I don't work for Landstar for 5 days. We straight living and enjoying what trucking do for us. So if you made it to this part of the video, right after this clip, we big dog. Big dog, big dog, big dog. No more trucker TB. Big dog, big dog, big dog TV. Rolly. Okay.
All I see is pussy, I don't see no threats. Look, making checks, go ahead and go cash it out. Look, if you wanna make the bet I win. Look, I say these niggas pretend, nigga, I'm gonna get it. Look, I did this shit to the end, these niggas be losing. Why they hoes be choosing? Match y'all on my dick, come up on, getting on, popping my shit. Now I ain't playing, they love a nigga cause I'm rich, and I'm getting this shit. Yeah, pop up with the V Live, look, and I'm patting the split. Yeah, bottles on me, know that it's lit, and I ain't playing with toes. Go ahead and get it, nigga, they don't got the paper when I pull up in a rose. Double OXO, look, and he knows Toronto. Nigga straight live, coming from Toronto. Look, paper, it's Drizzy. I'll make the shit look easy. If a nigga wanna take a check, don't get it. Look, no, I'm fucking your breezy. Says these all the hoes be sleazy. Look, and you know I'm getting niggas, yeah. Go ahead and go run it up. Look, I was catching them capers, yeah, I'm popping. Yeah, I'm popping my shit. Look, money bag, yo. Got your dick on my.
What I tell y'all, man. Shout out to my boy Drizzy. Drizzy. I didn't know he was gonna start rapping and stuff. So that made for a dope little montage and experience. Me getting my haircut, him making his own rap and all that. So it was a dope video. But then we gotta get home, hurry up and pack, cause it's like 7 o'clock at night. Like I've been here for too long, Rolly. I'm exhausted. Today was a very long day. It's midnight. Y'all started with me at 4 o'clock this morning in Mount Vernon, Missouri. getting up to head to Edwardsville, Illinois to deliver that load before 9. We did that. Went, got a haircut, packed our bag. Now we ready for MIAO. Miami,
the Playboy's paradise. Pretty girls, fast cars.
I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vlog. These Miami vlogs gonna be turned up lit. Turn me up, Rolling Gang. Turn me up. Don't turn me